We'll see today problems on minimum strain energy method for the simply supported beam. Okay, so this is your given problem. Here 5 kN and 10 kN is acting at the point E and D, and this is simply supported, and 1.5 meter each is the distance apart. To find out, analyze and draw BMD diagram and elastic curve. First you find out the all the reactions. Okay, so first step, just find out the static indeterminacy, that is formula ds is equal to r minus, you consider it as 2 because consider only the vertical loading. So 2 is nothing but, one is vertical loading and one is rotation. So reaction will be, instead of r minus 3 you can consider directly as r minus 2. Consider only the eliminate the horizontal loading. So here you have 1, 1, 1, 3, and it is nothing but 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. Okay, just assume at the middle support, that is VB as P, and for that find out the reaction in terms of P. So summation y equal to 0, upward as positive. So VA plus VC equal to 5 plus 10, and this is upward, so it will be minus P. And summation MA equal to 0, clockwise as positive. So you have this minus P into 1.5 into 2, that is 3. Then minus VC into total distance is 6. Then 5 into 1.5, 10 into 4.5 equal to 0. Simplify and get the value of VC, that is minus 0.5 P plus 8.75. Then substitute back in this, find VC and find out, get the value of VA, 6.25 minus 0.5 times P. Once this is done, next for the minimum strain energy method, for that you have the strain energy, that is equal to 0, that is nothing but M by EI dou M by dou P into dx equal to 0. Equate it to 0 and get the value of unknown. Okay, value of P. So first find out what is M and dou M by dou P. So first tabulate it for each member, AE, EB, BD, DC. Take origin for this as A, for this member as E, and from this side DC take origin as C and BD take origin as D. Okay, limit everything, it is 1.5, so 0 to 1.5. Next, find out the bending moment. So for that, upward as positive, downward as negative, that is a sign convention. So first member AE, so consider the section at the member AE, that is at X apart. So what is this? VA is nothing but, that is upward as positive, so plus 6.25 point P, 5 times P into distance X. Okay, next for this EB, consider this as the section, so you have this into total distance, that is X plus 1.5, you have to consider up to the section. So 6.25 minus 0.5 times P into distance X plus 1.5. Next this is downward, so minus 5 into this is distance is X. Okay, similarly for this BD, consider from, take D as origin, so draw section nearer to D. Okay, it will be similar. Now VC it is, so it will be 8.75 minus 0.5 times P, this is a VC reaction, into distance X plus total distance 1.5. So it will be X plus 1.5 minus, you have this 10 into X. Okay. Next, last member, that is DC. Consider C as origin, so draw section nearer to C. So that is VC into X. So VC is 8.75 minus 0.5 times P into X. Dou M by dou P is nothing but differentiation of this member with respect to P. So differentiate with respect to P, here you have this term, so you have multiply that 0.5 X also, so that time you will get 0.5 times X, and differentiation for this, you have this term, so it is 0.5, you have minus here sign, here also it is minus 0.5, so minus, so here also minus 0.5 times X plus 1.5 and here again same 0.5 times x plus 1.5, here minus 0.5 times x. This is after differentiation. Now you have from minimum strain energy, this is your formula. So now solve for different sections, so it will be clear. Then you combine and get the value of P. So first I'll consider just section AE. Okay. So for that, limit 0 to 1.5. Just write it here, AE. What is that? M is nothing but this. So it is nothing but 6.25 minus 0.5 times P into X divided by EI. Here no I variation, so throughout it is EI. And this is minus 0.5 times X into dx. Simplify it. You have 6.25. After simplification, you will have minus 3.13 x square minus into minus plus, so 0.5 into 0.5, that is 0.25 plus 0.25. So here x into x will be x square, and you have one p term over here. So dx divided by EI, integrated, integration of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. So integration 1 by EI is constant, 3 x cube by 3 plus 0.25 x cube by 3 p, limit 0 to 1.5. So substitute that 1.5 has x and get the value. You will have 0.28 p by EI minus, for this constant term, 3.52 by EI. Okay, next consider for the section. Similarly solve for all the section. EB, M is here, so it is 6.25 minus 0.5 times P into x plus 1.5 minus 5x, this is M, and multiply by dou M by dou P, that is 0.5 into x plus 1.5 divided by EI. So next just simplify. I'll write it directly. After simplification you will have after simplification, minus 0.3 x square plus 0.25 p x square minus 4.69 x plus 0.38 p into x minus 0.94 x plus 0.38 px minus 0.74 plus 0.56 p divided by EI into dx. So after integration you have 1.98 p divided by EI minus 17.6 by EI. Okay, this is after integration you will have. Next for section BD, it is almost similar. You have 8.75 minus 0.5 times P x plus 1.5 minus 10x, and this minus 0.5 into x plus 1.5 dx divided by EI. So after simplification you will have 1.98 P by EI minus 20.4 by EI. Okay, next last term 0 to 1.5. So M is 0.75 minus 0.5, 8.75 minus 0.5 P into X into minus 0.5 times X dx divided by EI. After simplification you will have 0.28 P by EI minus 4.93 3 by EI. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 0. Formula is M by EI dou M by dou P dx equal to 0. This is just minimum strain energy formula. So add all the constant and get the value. You have finally 4.52 P by EI minus 46.45 by EI equal to 0. Therefore, P is equal to 10.28 kilonewton, which is equal to VB. Okay. Now substitute that back to VA and VB. So VA is equal to 6.25 minus 0.5 times P. P is nothing but 10.28. You will have VA as 1.11 kilonewton. Similarly, substitute back to VC and get the value of VC. VC is nothing but 3.61 kilonewton. Okay. Once this is done, to draw BMD, just do BMD calculation. So BMD at bending moment at free end will be 0. So A and C is equal to 0. So bending moment at E equal to at this point. So VA is nothing but 1.11. So 1.11 here upward as positive, downward as negative. Okay. So 1.11 into distance up to E. So it is into 1.5. Then bending moment at D equal to this. So you can take this, that is VC 3.61 into 1.5. Finally bending moment at B. At this point you can take any end. So 1.11 into up to B. So 1.5, 1.5, that is 3. Then this, that is downward. So minus 5 into distance 1.5. Just calculate and get the value. D is 5.42 kilonewton. E is 1.67 kilonewton. And MB is minus 4.17 kilonewton. Now substitute this. A, E, B, D, C and substitute value at A and C is 0. At E is 1.67 positive. So 1.67 kilonewton meter. Bending moment it is. At B is minus, so here it is minus 4.17 kilonewton meter. At D is 5.42 kilonewton meter. Now draw bending moment diagram. This is the bending moment diagram. Here both positive and it is negative. So now draw the elastic curve. So at positive you have sagging bending moment. So this is the sagging, and from here this point you have negative, so it will be hogging. So at this point it will be hogging, and again sagging bending moment. At the end it is 0. So this is your elastic curve, this is your BMD. Thank you.